My name's Rayleigh Shirey, and my presentation will be on the vertical jump. So the objective of the vertical jump is to have enough power to produce maximum elevation of your body mass off the ground. A vertical jump is important in many sports for a higher vantage point. Sports like soccer, volleyball, and basketball are good examples of that. There are 4 phases of a vertical jump. So the main 4 are the preparation phase, the takeoff phase, the airborne phase, and then last we'll have the landing phase. So we're going to go through the 4. Starting with the preparation phase, we'll have flexion of the knee and ankle, and it'll be dorsiflexion of the ankle. So this is just when you're on the ground, knees bent, you're getting ready to jump. This is also called the loading position. And following that, we'll have the takeoff phase, which is extension of the knee and ankle, also the hips, and we'll have plantar flexion of the ankle. This is while you're leaving the ground. Following that, we'll have the airborne phase, which is when you're in the air. You'll pretty much have the same body position. While you're in the air, you'll keep the extension of the knee and hips, and usually you'll keep plantar flexion of the ankle during this. Last is the landing phase, which is right when your feet touch the ground. So at the very end of the landing phase, you'll pretty much end up back in the preparation phase where you'll have flexion of the knee and ankle because you don't want to be landing from your jump with a straight knee and your body all locked out. Next, we'll have just a little bit about the jump. So you'll want to use your arm swing to help propel your body upwards when you jump. It's like really good to use the momentum from your arms to just give your body that extra boost. So when loading for a jump, you'll be using your arm swing. Your arms will be back and you'll have a slight bend in the knee, which is the loading phase, like I said, also called the preparation phase. During this, the muscles in the hips, knees, and ankles, along with the tendons, will be loading, getting ready for the jump. So next we'll talk about the exercises that are best for training for a vertical jump. We have plyometric exercises and squats. So plyometrics are the most helpful in the vertical jump, especially when you're starting off the first 6 to 10 weeks. These will increase your vertical the most because it's a lot of jumping movements. You'll have muscle memory kind of training with this, and then we also have squats, which are a great way to help build strength and add power to your jump. So when you're squatting, you'll just want to be squatting the most you can, the heaviest you can. You really want to help build up your muscle, and that will help you get the best vertical jump. It is proven that the best way to increase your vertical jump is to combine these two. So I've seen so many studies during this project where they'll have usually 3 groups of people, and then one group will be doing plyometric exercises, one group will be doing squats, and then the last group will be doing both. The plyometric group will be doing stuff like broad jumps, box jumps, squat jumps, and the squat group will be doing just heavy weightlifting, squatting, and then the third group will be doing both. So in almost every case, the people with the most increased vertical during the study are the ones that did both, and this is what my team does. The volleyball team, we lift really heavy before and during our season, trying to really build our muscles to help our verticals get better, because that's one of the most important things during volleyball is having a good vertical. So we do this every day. We combine them, we lift heavy, and we do plyometric exercises. And these are my sources. Thanks for watching.